Hey, let's check out this 200C. How clean it is.
It's a mess.
It's a mess. What are you talking about? It's the fastest V6 ever. No, really, it is a fast car for what it is.
When I was looking at them, I looked at a couple with the 4s and a Tesco one with the 4, and I didn't like it.
Yeah.
I gotta get the 6 on it.
Let's see this motor in here. What is it? Is it?
Yeah, no, and I haven't cleaned this thing.
This maybe is a beast. I know that.
Needs a serious shampooing under here.
Hey, buddy, Magnum Mafia's here. Wow. Oh yeah. Whoa, that is the big. That is. That's the biggest one here. Holy. That is a huge. It probably goes pretty good,
Oh
eh?
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, she boogies when you want it to.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's probably good on gas, yeah.
It's not bad.
Not bad?
I get about 550 to 600k per tank. So.
That's not bad. I like it. That is. I like the burgundy too.
Yeah, that was one of the things that sold me on it was the color.
Burgundy, baby. You need to grow a mustache. Your mustache back. Oh, that's great.
Like I'm not.
200C.